This is one of the men who fought Judge Kunze-Menemeyer's decision, Ernest Kaiser.
I would have been there for 8 years, and I would have still been there if it wouldn't have been me going to the law library in prison and getting another lawyer to go ahead and fight this case.
Kaiser pleaded guilty to dealing crack cocaine. He says he agreed to go to drug treatment and agreed to a deal that he'd get out of prison on probation if he completed treatment, which he says he did.
I was under the impression as long as I did what I was supposed to do, that a deal is a deal.
You feel like she was changing the deal?
Yeah, that's not no feel like she did that.
Kaiser's case is one of 3 handled by Judge Chris Kunze-Menemeyer in which the Missouri Court of Appeals intervened.
That is extremely unusual.
Defense attorney Chet Pleben commented.
If they issue 1 writ a month throughout the entire Eastern District of Missouri, it would be a lot. And so for one judge to pick up 3 writs of prohibition within a 1-month period is extraordinary.
Pleben says defense attorneys first tried telling the judge about a mistake.
They don't just run to the Court of Appeals. Interestingly, in 2 of the 3 cases, I do believe it was the same prosecutor as in Russ Faria's case.
The Faria case involved a husband convicted of murdering his wife. Judge Menemeyer agreed to silence testimony about a woman who benefited from the victim's $150,000 life insurance policy. Russ Faria's defense attorneys are now appealing the conviction. Faria's appeal won't be directly impacted by the recent writs. Pleben says those orders came from 3 different cases that were each analyzed individually by the appeals court.
And in fairness to her, I'm sure that at the time that she thought she was doing the right thing, but for whatever reason, she got it wrong. And she got it wrong ×3, which is extremely, extremely unusual.
This may help somebody else so it doesn't happen again. I'm not looking for anything out of it. I just want to be able to just have the same rights that everybody else should.